In a famous hadith in Sahih Muslim, that Aisha says that the Prophet ﷺ would exert himself in these last 10 nights as he would never exert himself throughout the year. And it is authentically narrated that our Prophet ﷺ in the beginning of Medina, he would perform i'tikaf for the first 10 nights of Ramadan, first 10. Then the next year, he moved it to the middle 10 of Ramadan. And then the year after that, he said that Jibreel came to me and told me, what I am seeking is in the last 10. So whoever wants to do i'tikaf, to search for Laylatul Qadr, let him do it in the last 10. So the last 10 nights, as we said, our Prophet ﷺ would do i'tikaf primarily because he wanted to maximize on finding Laylatul Qadr. And we all know as well that it is not just the last 10, but especially the odd of the last 10. That our Prophet ﷺ said in the hadith in Bukhari, that find Laylatul Qadr in the odd of the last 10 of Ramadan. And so 21, 23, 25, 27, 29. And of these three, in particular the final nights, of these 5 nights, in particular the final nights, our Prophet ﷺ said that try to find Laylatul Qadr on the 29th and the 27th and the 25th. So then in one hadith he narrated down even more to those three. And then of those three, the one that has the most probability is of course the night of the 27th. Brothers and sisters, there are 3 signs for Laylatul Qadr. The first of these signs, it is reported in Sahih Muslim that Ubay ibn Ka'ab narrated that the Prophet ﷺ told them that of the signs of Laylatul Qadr is that the sun will rise on the next morning without any rays on it. La shu'a'a fih. So the sun will rise without any rays on it. These signs, they're signs. I mean, sometimes you could misread the signs, sometimes you don't see them. So they're just, you take some comfort in them, but you don't base your religion on what you think is one of the signs that you've seen. These are signs you should be aware of. Of the signs of Laylatul Qadr, it is reported in Ibn Khuzaymah and Musnad al-Tayalisi that our Prophet ﷺ mentioned that Laylatul Qadr shall be a moderate night. It's not going to be too hot, it's not going to be too cold. And the same sign is given in this hadith as well, that the sun will rise in a dull yellow. It's not going to be bright with the rays coming out. So Laylatul Qadr is a temperate night. Now, what if Laylatul Qadr falls in the summer or in the winter? Means that particular night will not be as hot or cold as the ones before and after it. And of the third and the final sign of Laylatul Qadr that is mentioned is that our Prophet ﷺ said in a hadith reported in Tabarani that on that night no shooting star will be seen. No shooting star will be seen anywhere in the world. So this is the third sign that is given of Laylatul Qadr. And of course this also makes sense when the angels are everywhere, then there is not going to be any shooting star, because the Qur'an tells us the purpose of those stars is to basically tard the shayateen, or to get rid of the shayateen.